Good afternoon everybody, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I've got something incredible to show you. I've got some giveaways to do as well. So without further ado, if you're interested in this sort of content, which you don't actually know what it is yet, then make sure you are subscribed with your notifications turned on. Let's get into the video straight away. I want to show you guys something incredible today, right? I've been working on this piece of paper for months. I've been working on this strategy. I call it the one. Do you know what, guys? That piece of paper is too small. Let's get one of these cards out. Okay, I've been working on this one product strategy for literally months. Months and months and months and months. Do you know, that's not working either, guys. Okay, there we go, guys. All right, I've been working on this one product strategy for literally months, guys, and I want to show you, I want to explain to you a little bit about this, but before we do that, we've got a giveaway to do. So last week and over the past few weeks, I've been giving away scholarships to the Seller Pro Academy. I gave away 2 last week, but there was someone that was very, very naughty and they tried to scam me. I can't believe it, guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know this. They pretended to be the winner. Oh my God, I can't believe it. So we're not gonna let that happen again. So we're gonna be giving away two more scholarships to the Seller Pro Academy today. All you have to do is comment on this video, like it, and follow me on Instagram. Within the next 24 hours, I'm going to choose 2 people to win, and then you have to message me. I'm going to put a little story up on Instagram showing the winners. You have to message me with proof. With proof, guys. Don't scam me. With proof. And all that sort of stuff. Speak to me and we'll get you enrolled in the Seller Pro Academy. Okay, so that's out of the way, which is pretty cool. So let's get back to this piece of paper, okay? I'm going to use the medium-sized board for this one. So I want to explain to you what the hell I've been doing, because I've been keeping this under wraps for a long time and it did not start out like this, guys. I've been writing frantically on pieces of paper. I've had stuff stuck to the walls. I've looked like a madman, right? My room has been, you can't see behind this screen, right behind your camera. It's been ridiculous. And what I've been working on is my unique mechanism, right? What's my system? Why can our students, why can our members get better results than other people? How can they get quicker results than other people? What is the one thing that makes that happen? What's the strategy? What's the formula? And I was thinking about this for so long, and I kept testing out different methods, different ways to do it, and different strategies, different blueprints, and none of them were quite right. They didn't capture exactly what we were doing. So then I went back to the drawing board about a month ago and I hired a mentor, guys. And this is so important to hire mentors. I got someone that had done this before, that had done lots of unique mechanisms and formulas and that sort of stuff. And I said, look, can you help me? This is the system that I have. This is why I stand out, but I can't make it into a unique, flow. And he said, look, this is what you need to do. Go and do this research, go and learn from here, and just start creating diagrams, start creating mechanisms, and eventually you get down to it. Now, after a month of really hard work on this, I've created this system, and this is how it works, guys. This is how it works. It's my one product strategy, and like this piece of card, actually no. This piece of card is, I'm going to take this around with me everywhere I go because I'm so proud of it. Like, I feel like this is my Mona Lisa. I feel like this is my E equals MC squared. Like, it's the God equation, right? It's not quite that good, right? It's not like E equals MC squared. It's not as good as the Mona Lisa, guys. It's down to your opinion. I think it's pretty good, but the reason I want to show you this on this video is I want to show you how this works, and I can't really do it in a YouTube video. It's quite long-winded. It's about an hour and a half long, and I've already recorded it. I've already done this training. So what I want you to do is I'm going to invite you to a webinar that I have created that is all focused around this. It's not a crappy webinar where you go on it and you don't learn anything. I've gone through and I've created each of these steps in detail to show you how you can actually do this. So you can follow it through and take notes, right? I'll even send you a PDF version so you can print it off for yourself at home, right? I want you guys to get results. I want you guys to be able to start selling on Amazon as efficiently as possible without cutting corners. So please, 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 guys, if you want to do that, I'm going to put the link down below. Just go register for that and just join the training, okay? And of course, I have an incredible offer at the end of it if you want to learn from me in full. Now, I'm putting my life on the line, guys. This has given me about 4 paper cuts. It's card, but it's given me a lot of paper cuts. So Please don't make me pick that up again. So this video today, I don't want to go in too much detail because I really want you guys to go and go onto that webinar and register for it if you want to know this sort of stuff, because I have been working on this for so long. I'm extremely proud of what I've created, and the feedback that I've actually got from people that have already gone through this training. They're saying that it is literally transformational. It's so innovative, and I don't see anyone else using this strategy in the game, right? There's no one else using this strategy. It's completely unique. So if you want to be able to access that training, all you have to do is click the link below. And I don't want this to be like an advert for the training, because it's not. I want it to be an advert for the system, right? I want it to be advert for the system because I spent a bloody long time working on it, and I want people to see it and see what you think. So if you do love it, and if you love the training, please tell me, right? Either leave a comment on this video or go onto Instagram and just send me a direct message, like screenshot the page, send me a direct message just to let me know what you think about it. And of course, hopefully you can take action, you can get loads of results, and you can start selling on Amazon in the most efficient way possible, get to your first £10,000 within the shortest space of time without cutting corners. So important, guys, without cutting corners. So that is going to be the end of today's video. Very short little update for you guys, and I think the reason for that is that I've been really busy on this, and I've just didn't really know what to record. Remember, if you want to get one of those scholarships to the Seller Pro Academy, completely 100% free, all you have to do, I'm going to give away 2, all you have to do is comment down below, like the video, of course make sure you subscribe, engage, I love the engagement, and then in 24 hours time, in the next 24 hours, I'm going to go on Instagram and I'm going to show you picking a winner on my story. That person, you have to go and look at the story. If your name comes up as the winner, make sure you send a direct message to me within the first 24 hours of me doing that video, and we'll get you enrolled in the Seller Pro Academy, 100% free, no strings attached whatsoever. So there we go, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you do sign up for the webinar and go and check it out. Make sure you join the competition, and I think that is going to be it. I will see you all next week for another video. It's going to be different to this video. It's going to be more informational. Of course, make sure you're subscribed with your notifications turned on, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.